mananalo, tapos yung tatlo, consolation prize. Okay? Isa lang. Pero may consolation prize naman. So, bigyan natin ng consolation prize si Jeremy. Nasaan si Jeremy? Sino si Jeremy? Okay, Jeremy, dito ka. Meron kang consolation prize. Cash prize yon. And
May plastic.
next, we have
Ay, malinis ba to?
Christiana May.
Malinis.
Nasaan si Christiana May? Meron ka?
Yung kasama mo hindi kumain.
And then, third consolation prize, Steffi. Nasaan po si Ate Steffi? And then yung ating winner, si Maria Crisostomo. Sa mga bata, oh, ang cute-cute. Si Maria, oh, napaka-cute niya. Siya yung ating winner. Congratulations!
Prices for the children, pero akin for the
Thank you so much to Sir Henry Monzones sa pagbibigay po ng cash prize para sa mga kids.
Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat po, Sir Henry Monzones. Para naman po sa mga adult entries natin. Hello? Sa kanya, 200. Okay? Sa'yo 100. Bawat isa. 200 kasi siya yung panalo. Okay? 200 po sa kanya. Oh, okay.
Malinaw yan.
Dami pang natira.
Jeremy, malinaw yan. 200 doon sa nanalo ha. Tapos kayong tatlo, tikwa 100. Ingat lang po.
Alright, so dito na po tayo sa ating adult entries. Ang ating third, all the cash prizes for the adult entries natin, they are coming
Ako,
from
dami
Miss
pa, oh.
Chuchi Villar. So palakpakan naman natin. Cash prize po ito.
Dami pa, guys.
For third prize, 1,000 pesos. Nasaan po si Miss Cecil Tweet? Cecil,
Ay, Miss
Third
Cecil,
prize.
panalo po kayo ng third.
panalo ka po ng third prize.
Wow, congratulations.
Sarap.
Magkano?
1,000
Itlog na pula.
pesos.
1,000 pesos eh.
Alunggong. Dami, oh.
10 litro ng gasolina yan. 1,000 pesos.
Okay.
10 liters of gas na yan, no?
Sarap.
Unleaded.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. And for our
Galunggong.
second
Sarap ng
prize,
galunggong, oh.
1,500 pesos naman. So, 15 liters na of unleaded to. Yeah. This
Wala
is
pa,
for
hindi pa
Ruth
inanuhan eh. Ewan ko.
Salve. Congratulations, Ruth Salve. You won second prize on our portrait sketching contest. Thank you so much, Miss Chuchi Villar, for all the prizes.
Aha.
Nasaan po si Miss Ruth? Nakita ko siya dyan kanina. Ruth Salve. Okay.
Dami itong na pula.
Asan si Ruth?
Ruth.
I just saw her
Aman ka na
earlier.
itong na pula ngayon.
Ayun.
Ayan, Miss Ruth.
Please receive your 1,500 pesos from Miss Chuchi Villar. Ito po si Ruth. So, ito po yung drawing ni Ruth. She will receive 1,500. O, diba? Sandali lang. Wala pang 5 minutes to. She earned 1,500 pesos na kaagad. Congratulations, Ruth. And for the grand prize, thank you, Miss Chuchi Villar, for the 2,000 pesos cash prize. This will go to Mr. Carbonell.
Wow, congratulations, Mr. Carbonell, for winning.
Arnold po ba to? Carbonell. Nandyan siya kanina.
Ayun.
Congratulations, Sir Carbonell. Sana all.
Congratulations for winning our on-the-spot sketch contest para kay Tatay Digong.
Sana all.
Ito na, maraming salamat.
Congratulations, sir. Ito po yung kanyang
Pakita ko
portrait.
natin
Hawakan niyo
ang
po.
winning,
And then
ang winning
have a photo.
portrait. Maraming salamat.
Alright, thank you.
Ayan.
Kain na po kayo, kain.
Uy, kumain na kayo.
To our judge,
May kaano ako din.
Geraldine Repolo, she's really an artist. Thank you.
Okay,
Congratulations to the winners.
Yes, maraming salamat, Miss Geraldine Repolio. And of course, ngayon pa lang ay bago natin ipakita yung mga video clipping. Hello, papasasalamatan natin ang mga sponsors and donors natin. BM Janet Reyes, former Congressman, Vice Mayor Janet Reyes, former Congresswoman Connie D, Carmen Lim, of course, si Ma'am Chuchi Villar, si Ambassador Cora Bahim, Miss Nene Bacali, ang ating future Congresswoman,